worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
So this week has been crazy. So I've been nonstop working, just running around. So it's been it's been more than exercise. Just on my feet all day for the last week or so, and it might continue for a little while due to my job. It's just requires that sometimes. It goes back and forth, office work all the time, and then boom, get out in the field. So I lost 6.5 pounds. I've been craving a lot of fruit, so I've been eating a lot of fruit and like beef jerky. One salad I had from a restaurant, Stone Fire Grill, that kind of stuff. So I don't know why I'm not so emotional about this as much as because I think it's because I knew I lost some weight. I could feel it when you're walking around. 6.5 pounds makes a difference. So I'm working out, dude. I'm working out. I'm exercising. I'm doing cardio. So I'm super excited. I guess right now my goal is I think I got down to 177 or so the first time I did this challenge. And then my natural body weight should be about, I think, 150 to 165. Thanks, guys. Let's check you out next week.
Good morning, world. Or afternoon. Or evening. Or night. Or something. Crap, this is hard. But what's not hard is subscribing to the most awesome channel in the universe. That's right. Subscribe now to Gershom-ology, and all your dreams will come true. Guaranteed 100% money back if all dreams do not actually come true.